Hi! In front of me is Honor 7X, and today I would like to show you how you can customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and download Gboard app if you don't have it already on your device. When you're ready, choose Settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Settings. Now choose Languages and Input. Over here click on Default Keyboard and select Gboard. Then click on Virtual Keyboard, tap on Gboard over here and click on Theme. Now tap on this plus sign under My Themes and select one of those sources, like images. Then apply one of your photos by clicking at the chosen one. I want to set up that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!